Would you like to try some of these tropical fruits? Hi, this is Marina from Health Glows, a certified raw vegan diet and healthy lifestyle coach. Right now, I'm sending you tropical regards from the beautiful Thai island, Koh Phangan. As you can see, there's lots of beautiful tropical fruits in front of me right now. And in this video, you're gonna meet some of the most delicious tropical fruits that are available in Thailand. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that I've been on a vegan diet since 2005 and exclusively raw vegan diet since 2012. This means that since 2012, my diet has consisted solely of fresh fruits and vegetables with some nuts and seeds here and there. Thus, all these beautiful tropical fruits are just part of my regular daily diet. Even if you don't have in mind to go on a raw vegan diet exclusively, I highly recommend you that you give a try to all these beautiful tropical delights because they are nutritious and delicious for you. And now, let's meet some of the most amazing fruits in Thailand.
Papaya. Did you know that papaya contains papain? Papain is a proteolytic enzyme. This means that papain is an enzyme that has the specific property of breaking down proteins into shorter chains of amino acids called peptides, or even all the way down to amino acids themselves. Thanks to the content of this enzyme, papain, the consumption of papaya helps the digestion of food and the absorption of nutrients from the intestines into the bloodstream. The bright orange or red color of papaya indicates the rich content of beta-carotene in this tropical fruit. Beta-carotene is a precursor of vitamin A. This means that beta-carotene is a nutrient in food that is converted into vitamin A in the body. Pineapple. If you're not in a friendly relationship with pineapples because you have experienced bleeding and burning lips after consuming this fruit, I highly recommend giving the fantastic pineapple a second chance when you find yourself in the tropics. When the pineapple is truly ripe, as is usually the case with pineapples in the tropics, this fruit is sweet and extremely delicious. Get ready to fall in love with tropical pineapple. Mango. Did you know that it is estimated that there are over 1,000 different types of mangoes around the world? Each type of mango is characterized by its unique shape, color, size, texture, smell, and taste. I highly recommend trying different types of mango and finding your favorite. My favorite types of mangoes in Thailand are Nam Dok Mai and Kaev. Specifically, this mango that you see now in this video is a Kaev mango. Extremely sweet, dense, soft, smooth, and fiberless texture. This mango is a real treat. Dragon fruit. Cactus fruit called pitaya, better known as dragon fruit. There are three main types of dragon fruit: yellow skin, white flesh, pink skin, white flesh, and pink skin, red flesh. Again, I highly recommend trying all three types of dragon fruit and finding your favorite. I would like to share with you a fun fact. Well, the dragon fruit with pink skin and white flesh is one of my all-time favorite fruits. For some reason, I absolutely cannot eat nor digest the dragon fruit with pink skin and red flesh. Same fruit, different type. For me, a huge difference in taste and digestion. One, I adore. The other, not my cup of tea. In any case, I would like to share the following. Dragon fruit is ripe enough for consumption only when its skin has aged and the color of the skin has turned into dark pink or dark yellow. Champa Duck. If you come across this oval fruit with a rough brown skin, know that you are lucky. Very important. Before opening the Champa Duck, cover your knife with some coconut oil to prevent the sticky substance in the skin of this fruit from sticking to your knife. Let me warn you right away, you need to have some experience and skills in order to know how to choose a good and delicious Champa Duck. In other words, if you happen not to be thrilled with your first Champa Duck, know that it is possible that you just need to find a better Champa Duck. Certainly, when Champa Duck is good, it is definitely one of my favorite fruits. Jackfruit, a large cousin of Champa Duck. Did you know that jackfruit is the largest tree-borne fruit? The whole jackfruit has a very similar shape to Champa Duck, but it is larger and heavier. Now you can see jackfruit pods already taken out of its skin. You know the jackfruit is good when its flesh is soft to the touch and its pleasantly sweet smell spreads through the air. Coconut. Technically, coconut is not a fruit, but I just cannot miss the opportunity to encourage you to treat your body to fresh coconut water. You may have heard the myth that coconut water was used as a blood substitute in blood transfusions during the World War II. A myth is a myth, but it is still true that coconut water is rich in electrolytes, minerals, and vitamins, all of which together make coconut water a low-calorie liquid food that helps hydrate the body.
I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you would love to try all these tropical fruits. Bear in mind that this video was just a tip of the iceberg when it comes to tropical fruit. And I have another beautiful gift for you, my friends. If you would like to learn more about tropical fruits, I'm inviting you to my free webinar, Tropical Fruits Practical Tips. In this free webinar, you're gonna learn how to optimally select and consume various tropical fruits. You can watch this free webinar right now through the link that I'm leaving under this video, either in the description of this video or in the first comment. So go ahead, watch it, and enjoy knowledge about tropical fruits. In this video, you met some of the most delicious tropical fruits that are available in Thailand. But if you're interested in tropical vegetables that are available in Thailand, I have a video for you. It is my raw vegan tacos video. I highly suggest you watch it through the link that I am leaving under this video, either in the description or in the first comment, so you can see how I'm making delicious raw vegan dinners in Thailand using tropical vegetables that are available in Thailand. If you appreciate this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can enjoy all the videos that are coming up on my YouTube channel, Health Glows. And please let us know in the comments down below. Would you like to try some of these tropical fruits? Or perhaps you have tried them and let us know. Did you like them? Maybe you didn't like them? Let us all know in the comments down below. Let the discussion about beautiful tropical fruits begin. Once again, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and until the next time, I'm sending you tropical regards. Bye bye!
Click the link below this video and watch the free webinar, Tropical Fruit Practical Tips.